So the Lake of the Ozarks meet is tomorrow. I just went through the car wash and just did a quick hose down of the truck, got the undercarriage, all that good stuff. And man, I keep finding like paint chips in more places to where they weren't before, and it's really, you know, it's gonna be time for a truck to get a repaint soon, I think, or a wrap or something. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. Everything's rather expensive, honestly, but just not happy with all those paint chips and stuff. They keep appearing out of nowhere, so possibly wrap might be a good alternative, but we shall see. It's 11 o'clock and I'm still out here messing with this thing, trying to get it ready for the show tomorrow. So the show's tomorrow at the Lake of the Ozarks, I guess, and I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna only hopefully be up till around midnight, maybe 12:30, trying to get this situated. I'm gonna take my whole grill off and replace the bow tie with a different one and see if I can get those inserts to fit just a little bit better, as well as put in my new halos in my headlights and my turn signals. So hopefully I can get all that done and possibly get up early in the morning and wash the truck. That way I can drive it up there. So gonna be up here or out here pretty late, and I just hope these halos are gonna be worth it because they look good inside the lights. I've got the lower ones done already, and yeah, I just hopefully everything works out. That's all I could ask for. So let's get it done. I finished up my headlights, replaced these old style individual diode halos. Excuse the mess over here. With the new profile performance halos, so they're a one piece and should be a lot brighter, and they actually have a switchback function as well and a true white form, so I'm pretty excited. This really wasn't too bad to do, guys. I don't know about on any other vehicles, but as far as these old body style truck headlights go, this wasn't too bad. I mean, considering they've been done before, might have helped the fact that they popped open a little bit easier, but not too bad. I just popped them open, took off the old halos, took out a bunch of the old sealant, and resealed it with some of this stuff over here. So what it is pretty much like a big roll of sticky tack, sort of, but it's a headlight sealant. It's butyl headlight sealant, and it's pretty sticky stuff. And you just fill the little channels around the lenses with it, and pop the lens back on. Kind of heat it up a little bit, squeeze it and press it into place, and it just molds there, and it'll eventually dry, I think. Maybe might stay a little soft, but don't know. So I'm excited to see these in. I stayed up till around 2 in the morning, I believe. I called it quits for the night, or for the morning, or whatever, and left the truck taken apart, all the lights out, everything. Got up at 6 this morning, got back at it because I got to leave here in just like 30 or 45 minutes or so, and meet up with the guys that I'm meeting up with to head up to the show. But here they are, all four back on. Everything's back in and wired as good as it's gonna get for the moment. And yeah, they look good. This is the true white that I was talking about. So instead of being like an icy blue color, this is just a pure white, which is awesome. They look like just one rectangle, one piece. Looks pretty good that way. I like it. Of course, I've got the RGB. Didn't get a chance to wire up the turn signals yet because I ran out of time. I mean, I am out of time right now, and I really wish I could have, because what it does is it interrupts whatever color you're on. I mean, you could be on red, purple, green, whatever you want, but you turn a turn signal on, it'll interrupt the color and hit it to amber, and use it as a turn signal. So wish I could have done that, but that'll be the next thing as soon as I get back. But right now I've got to get to the meeting point with a couple of our buddies, and gotta get to the show. Hoping to be there by noon. Maybe might be a little bit after. I didn't really get a chance to wash the truck or clean it or anything. I mean, I took it through the pressure washer last night, but it's not as clean at all as what it should be. But it happens, I guess. Oh well, we'll get up there. So if you're there at the Lake of the Ozarks truck show, we will see you up there here in a couple hours. So thanks a lot, and I'll be sure to get video while we're up there, of course, and we shall see you next time.